Yeah, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be quickly taking you through the steps of claiming this free account. It's a $50 account and you are not depositing any money into this account. No KYC needed, and you'll be able to claim this account, trade with it, and when you eventually meet up with some certain terms and conditions, you will be able to withdraw from this account. I'll be going through the stress of claiming the bonus, so you don't have to go through this same stress of claiming this account. You just have to watch the video closely, stick to the end of this video so that you gain all you need. And regarding the terms and conditions, you need to meet certain terms and conditions which I will be highlighting in this video. And the terms are, when it comes to availability, this bonus is only available to new customers. Yes, you are going to be getting this account once, and it's a one-time bonus per customer, and a trader must be a minimum of 18 years old. As you can see on the screen here, no KYC needed, so you just have to be 18 before you can claim this account, which I know most of you are of age already. And when it comes to other details, the leverage is 1:100, which is the maximum leverage that you'll be using in this account. And when we talk about the withdrawal conditions, the withdrawal conditions are quite easy. They are not somehow complicated. So the profit that can be withdrawn is up to, you can withdraw up to $200 in this account. Yes, if you trade and meet up with certain terms and conditions, you'll be able to withdraw $200 from this account, and the minimum profit of $100 would be required to withdraw from this account. Yes, to withdraw from this account, a minimum of $100 profit must be made. And let's go straight to business. As you can see it on the screen, this red arrow highlighting, you just click on register, which will bring you to the next section, which is the registration. By clicking on the registration, you will be inputting your name as usual, your surname, your email address, and some other details. And after you are done with that, you'll be sent some login details which you will be needing. And the login detail that you'll be sent, which is on the screen here, I'm covering it with the comment emoji so that my password won't be exposed. So this is your personal login details, and you can click on save login details, which will bring you to what you see on the screen here, which is save as PDF. I'm trying to save my pass as a PDF so that I can have access to it later, even if I forget it. And the next thing to be doing is the simple details, which is logging in. You'll be logging in with your email address and your password. That is two things that you'll be needing. And then you click on the login button, which you can see on the screen, the blue, and immediately you log in, you will see this kind of panel. You see the great panel, but what we just need 3 dots, which the arrow is pointing at. That's where we will make preparation on how to claim the account absolutely for free. You won't be doing any hard tech. Just follow me and watch this video close. I brought to this section, you see the no deposit bonus, which I'm already highlighting with a red dot, and you click on it. After it will show create new account, and you'd have to click on that create new account under the no deposit bonus account. And when you click on it, it will bring you to this interface which you see on the screen, which is $50. Remember, you haven't gotten the account, you are just seeing it here. You just have to do few more things to get this account. Then you click on select, which is below here. You see the blue button below here. So when you click on this select, it will take you to this place where is apply. And after you click on that select, which I told you to click on, you click on apply to. And when you click on this apply, you will get the $50 no deposit bonus instantly. And remember, you will be trading with this bonus on their platform. You won't be able to trade with it using MT4 and MT5, and it's quite easy. And immediately you sign up with all your details, you will be sent an email address to the server how you will be signing in. This is how the interface would look like on their server where you'll be signing in. It's quite fair and not complicated. It's just like the MT4 server, but with some limited functions. I hope you enjoy this bonus account as you trade effectively with it. As you can see on the screen here, this is the $50 account available for trading. You can start placing trade immediately you get this account, because I have already highlighted all what you need to get this account. If you know you're having issue concerning this account, you can go back to watch this video again and again to get all you need. And if you know you are new to my YouTube channel, just seeing this video for this first time, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to others. See you in my next video.